Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Woodpeckers explore decaying cavities on trees and spots that have active insect activity. Woodpeckers tend to feed only on dead or dying wood and are generally considered harmless to a tree. They do not feed on tree sap like their sap-sucking cousins, which can seriously damage trees. 28 June 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Morning. Additionally, woodpeckers may start to peck, drill, or drum during the first break of sunlight that they see in the morning. Basically, woodpeckers can be active during any time of day where there is light present, but will most likely be asleep whenever there isn't light present.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.